Hi, this is GSS Company, liquid filling machines manufacturer in China. We commit to designing and manufacturing 1 to 2,500 liters smart liquid filling machines, for chemical, petrochemical and food industry over 20 plus years. Our liquid filling machines and services advantages: 1. Safety and smart. 2. Customization. 3. Factory price. 4. With CE Row HS ISO 9001 EMC, approved. 5. One-stop solution. 6. Training, remote assistance, maintenance, spare parts, services. The Total Sinopec Givo Don Furman Ximrise IFFP and G Buckman have trusted us, why not you? Discover how to guarantee your workers' safety and filling productivity. Please contact us right now. Agent distributors wanted.